Welcome to the Church of God, International. Our ministry is a teaching ministry, and we believe deeply in servant leadership. We draw from a richly diverse population. God has brought together believers from different races, ethnic groups, ages, and religious backgrounds. We have learned to value and appreciate our differences. We do not police behavior, instead we strive to set godly examples. As a result, congregants feel free to be themselves, as they grow in understanding. We are continually striving to grow in the grace and knowledge of our Lord Jesus Christ. We observe the seventh-day Sabbath as instituted at creation, and modeled by Jesus Christ. This observance is done not only in righteous obedience, but also in acknowledgement that it is observed in heaven and will be observed in the new kingdom on earth as it is in heaven. We observe the annual holy days ordained by God, kept by the ancient Israelites, and continued by the early New Testament Christians. These 7 annual appointed feasts picture God's plan of salvation. To learn more about this, scan the QR code below to join us at our free event, a symposium on restored truth on May 11, 2024. You can also find a CGI Canada congregation nearest you by scanning the QR code on this page. Church of God International Canada. We're looking forward to welcoming you.